The given question is match the following for an ideal gas. For ideal gas, we know equation is PV equal to nRT, where P is the pressure of the gas, V is the volume, N is the number of moles of the gas, R is the universal gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. A thermodynamic system is the one, for example, having a cylinder with piston and it contains ideal gas. And this ideal gas obey the ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. Using the first law of thermodynamics, that is del dq equal to du plus dw, or we can write it as du plus, and work can be written in terms of the pressure and volume as P dV. Also, isothermal process is the process which have the temperature constant. Similarly, adiabatic is a process in which there is no exchange of heat, so dq equal to 0. Isochoric process have the same constant volume, so V is constant, and isobaric process is the process which have the pressure constant. Now we have to match the left hand side options with right hand side. Here for A, it is an isothermal process, so option B is the correct option because it will also obey the first law of thermodynamics. And because temperature is constant, if temperature is constant, this implies that there will be no change in internal energy, that is delta U equal to 0. So we can say one of the option R is also correct. For the process B, adiabatic process, first law of thermodynamics is also satisfied by this process. So we can say option P is the correct option. Also, delta Q equal to 0. So from the first law of thermodynamics, if dq equal to 0, so we can write du plus dw, or we can write another way that dw equal to minus du. Hence, option Q is correct for the adiabatic process. Then C, isochoric process. P is also satisfied by it. And for isochoric process, V is constant. That means delta V equal to, or we can say dV equal to 0. If dV equal to 0, that means work dW equal to 0. And if work equal to 0, and putting in the equation of the first law of thermodynamics, we will get dQ equal to du. So for isochoric process, we have found that dW equal to 0. This implies that dQ equal to du plus 0 or equal to du. And no option other than P match with C. So only correct option for C is the P. Now next is the isobaric process. In isobaric process, the first law of thermodynamics is still valid. Therefore, option P is the correct option. And other condition which it have to obey is dq equal to du plus p dv, and this is the first law of thermodynamics, and no other options is applicable for option D. Therefore, the correct option for D is also P.